Hey guys, it's Kimber from Trotty by Nature, and I am so incredibly proud and honored and excited that this is Trotty's new barn. We bought a barn! The little girl in me is screaming and jumping up and down right now, but I have to be calm because I'm making this video. But after this, you best believe there's a new party. But anyhow, we're so excited because we're going to help a lot more horses, and that just makes my heart happy. And that Trotty's come so far that we're going to have our own barn. And so, yeah, we're going to help more horses, and Trotty's going to be better than ever. So I will insert a few videos of what it looks like so you guys can see. And make sure to stay tuned for this awesome journey.